everyone, welcome back to our channel. Rebecca's doing the crew. So today I did something a little bit different than I usually do when I do my hauls, and what I did is I went to Walgreens. I was actually looking for large squishies because I had heard that they were marked down to $1.99 for like the extra large squishies. They actually didn't have any in my area, and the lady said they never did have them. They had some medium sized, a small, which were like ones that you can clip onto a backpack. They had like ice cream cones, pizza, bananas, and things like that. But they weren't very big, and they were, I think, $3.99, and they weren't on sale at all. So I had seen a haul before where someone had them just recently, and it said that they were marked down to $1.99, but I couldn't find those anywhere. So it wasn't a wasted trip, though. So I had found some things. They've got all of their Christmas items marked down. I don't need any more Christmas stuff, but I did find a lot of their Christmas sets of like makeup that they sell. So I grabbed a few of those, so I wanted to share those with you guys. So in case anyone was looking for a really good deal, you could go pick those up for yourself. So the first thing I got was this LA Colors Strong 10 Color Highlight Face Palette. So this is the box, and it was originally $10, so I got it for $5, which I thought was a really good price. And this is what the box, this is what all the colors look like. So this one was more of like a highlight. And there's 10 different colors, and I just think they were really pretty. I'm going to open the whole thing here so you guys can see. So it comes in this really nice hard plastic palette, and it's really big. It's nice. I really like this. So I'm excited. I haven't opened it till just now. So here's a better look at what all the colors look like for you guys. Okay, so that was the highlight, and that one was called Strobing. So the next one, I actually picked up two of those. I got one for myself, and my older daughter is having a birthday in February. I mentioned before I have 3 birthdays in February, and she'll be 19, and so she, you know, obviously likes makeup, and so I thought she would appreciate one of those as well. For $5, I couldn't really pass it up. So the other one that I bought was called Contour. So this is the 10 Color Contour Face Palette, and that's the box. And then they had, it's also in the same kind of packaging. So this is the container, and it's the nice hard plastic. It doesn't come with any brushes, but I have brushes, so I don't really need any. But I thought they were really good contour palette, so I'm excited to see what those look like and try those out. So another thing I wanted to show you guys that they had was they had these LA Color Mattes Liquid Lip Color and Liner Set, and it was $4 originally, and I got that for $2. Oh, by the way, the contour set was also $5 on clearance, so it was 50% off. So now they had 3 different colors of this. Sorry, I didn't take pictures. I should have the other colors that they had, but I was kind of in a hurry because I went back to all the Dollar Trees today, which will be a haul that I'm going to do separate from this video. But I wanted to see what other things they had come out with, and I was actually still looking for squishies. A lot of people are hauling these like squishies that are strawberries and pineapples and things like that, and they had some new lotion sets too that I was looking for, like a peach and stuff like that, but my Dollar Tree doesn't have those yet. So I was kind of on the lookout for those. But I did find some other things, so I'm going to haul that in the next video. So I apologize for not taking more pictures for this one, but at least you guys can see the few things that I did pick up that was a good price. So this came with the lip liner, and this is more of like a mauve color. I hope you guys can see that. I kind of like the darker mauve type colors. And then it has the liquid matte. It's not a gloss, so it's just a liquid stain. And I got that one. So they had one that was more of like a dark plum color. They had the coral, a light pink, and then this mauve color. So again, that was only $4, so marked down it was $2, which I thought was a really good price. Now, everybody's been hauling these color corrector sets, these LA Looks color corrector sets from Dollar Tree, which are $1 a piece. Now, I hauled those 2 days ago. I showed you guys in the Dollar Tree video that they had those. I got all of them except for the peach, which was to brighten the dark spots. And so I was excited to find they had it in a whole set. So you get 1, 2, 3, so you get all 5 And these are the ones they're selling at Dollar Tree just individually. And this was marked down to $3. It was originally $6. So if you get all 5, it's a way better price than you're getting at Dollar Tree. Now the size is smaller. I'm not sure. I bought another highlight, so I'm not sure. I'll have to look and see what the difference is in size. But this one is, it says that they are each, let's see if I can find the size here, 0.09 ounces. So that's the size, if you guys can see that. It's a little bit smaller than the ones from Dollar Tree. Let me look and see if I can find the one from Dollar Tree for you guys real quick in my other bag I have sitting over here, so you guys can compare the size. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so this is the size difference. This one is 0.13 ounces. So you get 0.4 ounces more, but all in all, it's you know, for $3. Yeah, what I get for $3. All in all, for $3, you get all 5. You get a little bit less product, but it is what it is. And I was excited to find it. And since I already had some of the bigger ones, I more or less just wanted this pink one. So I was excited to find this 5-pack. And this is what the packaging looks like on the inside. So I picked up that, and then another thing I picked up were these makeup brushes. So they had this Christian Serrano New York 8-piece brush, 2-piece blender sponge collection. It says $48 value. It was $12 originally, and I got it for $6. And so here's all the, you got the 2 beauty blenders, and then all of the makeup brushes, which look really nice. I'm excited to try some of them. They got this really large one, and so they got a nice handle on them. They were all in this black with the 2 pink beauty blenders, but even to buy like for a birthday or for Christmas next year for $6, that's a really good price for these makeup brushes. So I got that, and then the last thing I wanted to show you that I got from Walgreens was, I picked this up for my daughter whose birthday, it's actually for her birthday in June. So it says Pink Friday by Nicki Minaj. It was originally $22. It says it's a $43 value, and it's just the Nicki Minaj perfume. So for $11, that was a really good buy, and she's going to be super excited. She loves perfumes and things like that, and she really liked the Rihanna perfume that I had gotten her for Christmas. So I'm excited to give her that for her birthday in June. So that's all for this haul video. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, I'm sorry I didn't take the pictures for you guys of the other makeup and things like that. I was just in a hurry to get home. It's New Year's Eve, and we have a little party planned with the kids and stuff, so I just wanted to kind of get that done and get home quick so we could do our thing. And I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year's. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, please hit that bell button. And I upload videos every other day. Thank you so much for watching.